Humans have been telling stories from the time we could speak, probably before. The reason behind that is its importance on our life. As Elon Musk said in one of his interviews, that the book that inspired him to do all sorts of things that he is doing today was The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Somehow we all have stories to tell, but there is not proper way to share our story with the world. Storybook is the way to do that. It is a platform that will allow the user to share his or her story with the world. But the question is how? We incorporate the traditional way of writing, publishing, and making the book popular. This platform automates all the steps necessary to publish your storybook. It is divided into three main categories. The first part is the writing tool. It's a powerful writing tool that will enable the writer to write their story. It is not simple text editor, but powerful writing tool that will support the writer in all dimensions. Some of the features includes, but not limited to, are character referencing. In one story or novel, there can be hundreds of characters. Like Harry Potter has 700 characters. So it will be very hard for the writer to remember all those characters. And we provide the functionality that will help the writer to search the character in real time. When you are writing a book, it will be nicely structured into chapters and scenes. You will be able to communicate with the publisher or with other person via a chat or video. There is a writing assistant that will assist the writer in the right direction by providing weekly report about the story. For example, you include a character but not use it, the writing assistant's report will tell you that. The second part of this project is a publisher dashboard. So once the book is written, it needs to be published. Writer cannot directly publish the book, but publisher can. So writer need to communicate with the publisher. The benefit of doing that will be the name of the publication house, which will help the book to be popular. So publisher can publish the book from publisher dashboard. The features includes but not limited to are reading the writer book so that it can be verified, publish the writer book, and communicate via a chat or video with the writer. Once the book is published, it needs to be available for the reader. And Book Marketplace will do this. It's not only Book Marketplace, but also a social media. Social media will help the user to be engaged. So some of the feature includes publishing a post blog, events and announcement, follow writers or publisher, communicate with writer or publisher, download, read, review, and provide feedback on book. The business model this platform will use is subscription based. So user has to subscribe for different plans in order to read the book. Our target users are reader, writer, publisher, and all those interested in stories, reading stories or writing stories. This project is 50% complete. We have been working on this project from last, and the technology used includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and SQL. It will be a web-based solution because writer will write easily on computer. So with the storybook, you can write and share the stories with the world. Thank you.